Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by extracting maximum flavor. Poach 2 lobster tails 4 to 5 minutes in simmering salted water, then cool and reserve that liquid for later depth. While they cool, sauté 1 shallot and 1 garlic clove in 1 tablespoon of butter until translucent. This builds a sweet aromatic base. Once done, combine chopped lobster meat with 1/4 cup cream, lemon zest, and seasoning to bind. This gives a creamy, balanced filling that won't dry inside the pastry. You now assemble with intention. Roll 1 sheet of puff pastry to an even thickness and chill briefly so it stays manageable. Meanwhile, lay prosciutto or a thin crepe on the pastry. This barrier prevents sogginess and adds salt and texture. Pile the chilled lobster mixture in a tight log brush pastry edges with egg wash, then fold and seal carefully. Tucking seems to create a snug parcel. Make a few small scored vents on top so steam escapes and the interior stays moist. You finish by baking at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, for about 20 to 25 minutes until the pastry is deep golden and puffed. Timing depends on oven and parcel size. Once done, rest the Wellington 5 minutes to let juices settle, then brush with melted butter and add fresh herbs and a lemon wedge to brighten flavors. If the base is soggy, don't panic. Re-crisp in a very hot oven at 220 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes, or sear briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.